In this project, we will learn how to create an intro video by using multiple video clips in Adobe Premiere Pro Creative Cloud. So let's take a look. If you can cover this project, then you can have a clear concept about using of Adobe Premiere Pro Creative Cloud, and you can learn a lot of things from this project. So let's take a look. Here is I imported some video clips in my project panel, and I want to create my intro video with this video clip. So let me add a video clip to my timeline, and I want to create the intro video only for 30 seconds. 30 to 35 seconds is good, and let me delete or cut the rest of this part of this video clip, and I'm deleting this video clip, and let me unlink the music file and let me delete this clips. So now I will set the position, and I'm selecting effect control, and let me reduce the scale size. Let me reduce to 55%, and I want to set the position of this video clips. Okay, so let me take to top in this video clip. Okay, it's fine. And now I will add another video clip to our video track tuber. So I want to add this video track tuber, and I don't want to keep this entire length. I just only want to keep till 35 seconds, and let me delete this part, and let me unlink the music clip from this video. Here is fine, and so let me set the position of the video from video track tuber, and let me reduce the scale size. Let me check the scale size for it. That is for 55%, and I want to make the second clip in 55% too. And I want to position it it's fine. So let me add a third clip to our video track tuber. So I'm adding, and I want to remove the rest part from this video, and let me unlink the audio clip from here, and let me scale it for 55%, and let me position it. It seems 55% is little bigger, so our third clip is not adjusting with our frame size. So let me make it for 45%, and now it's fine. So let me resize it. It's great. I'm doing on my second clip, and it's fine. So I want to make its scale as 45% too for my third clip, and let me have position okay. So let me resize the position for second clip. So I want to move a little right side. Okay, it's fine. So now I will add some more three clips in bottom. So let me add more 3 clips in bottom. So I want to add these clips to our video track folder, and I want to remove the rest part of this clip from here. So I'm removing. So let me resize the scale and position for our bottom video. I want to make it in 45%, and I can take a look, and I want to move it on left and in bottom. It's fine. So let me add another video clip. I want to add this clip, and let me do the same things. I'm removing the rest of the part of this clip, and let me unlink these clips from there, and I want to remove these clips, and let me delete it from our audio track. So now let me resize the position and the scale of this 5th video. Let me make it 45%, and let me select the position. It's fine. So let me add another video clips. Let me make a bigger workspace. Okay, so I want to add this video clip to our timeline. And let me have the same procedure as before. I'm removing the last part, and let me unlink the video clip, and I want to remove this audio clip from here. So let me take in my previous place, and I don't need the audio track right now, so let me resize the video of video track 6 bar, and it seems little smaller as because the size of this video clips is little smaller than the others, so we have to resize it, and it's fine. So let me take it in the right bottom. You can use the motion option for changing position of these video clips, and right now total we have 6 video clip in our program monitor in our project, and let me make it on bottom. So now it's fine, and right now I will add a legacy title. To add legacy title, you may know you have to select the file menu, and from there new option, and from there you have to select the legacy title. So let me type intro title, and I'm selecting OK. And here is the preview, and let me write some word. I'm writing intro title, and let me choose some different font design. I'm selecting this, and let me have a little bigger, and let me have some in center position. That's fine. So let me add these clips to our video track 7 bar. So I'm adding this title to our video track 7 bar, and let me set the length of this title along with the video duration. So now it's fine. So let me select this title file, and I want to make some animation for this title, and at initial position I want to decrease the scale size of this title. So let me decrease the title size in here, and let me have a keystroke in this position, and when our title will come to till 14 seconds, it will come with 100% scale size. So this is fine. And after this position, we want to move it a little right and left. So make a position animation for this title, and let me move a little forward, and let me have I'm creating a keyframe in here, and when our title will come to till this position, it will move here, and then when our title will come to this position, it will move over here, and when our title will come in this position, then our title will come at the middle position. So this is the animation, and let me add an audio clip for this introduction video. So let me import an audio clip. Here is some audio clips. I'm selecting Hilltop MP3 files, and I want to add these MP3 files to our audio track 1 bar, and let me remove the rest of this music part. So now it's fine. So let me play and show you the intro file of this video clip. So let me play this video clip from our program monitor, and let me make the size a little bigger. So this is how you will create an intro video by using multiple video clips in Adobe Premiere Pro Creative Cloud. Thank you.